guys, today we are gonna make an Lego tiny and super similar train. It's very easy and with its own train station. Let's get started on the train first. We need these 3 pieces. First, we're gonna put on this piece. See, why I'm gonna do like this piece. Okay. Now I'm done. Now let's put in this piece. Now this. This is very hard. This isn't very hard. Now let's get started with the train stations part, okay? First we're gonna make this part. We need these 3 pieces. First we're gonna take this piece. Now this piece. Okay. Now take this piece. Another one of those piece. Now this top shade, of course. Now we need to take this. You see these holes? These are for the Lego station. Now we have done the Lego train station. Both of our things are done. Like and subscribe. Let's test it out first before ending the video. It can go nice and neat. Like this. Like and subscribe. Bye.